So we're putting together a pickleball set. We got this side basically complete. Made our whole bar of cross. We got our middle support bar. Then we're gonna put this end on. There we go. Our last pole for this side. And then our last brace goes on. This thing's really long. There we go, there we go. And it just snaps in. Nice and easy, no screws or anything. And so now all the poles are together to create the pickleball net. Slide on our net. And then the middle piece slides on to this little extra pole for support. And then one of the coolest parts is you get 4 pickleballs and this nice pickleball holder that just goes right on the side. Tighten these. You need to tighten it up. Oh, it's Velcro. Nice. All right, so here is the pickleball net all put together. It was only about a 10-minute process to put this together. No screws, just easily pops together, and now you're ready to play pickleball. They also include this court marker setup, so you know where to put these based on your net. And then it also includes this nice little carrying case, so you can take it all apart, put it in here, and bring it with you. And it all fits nicely in here. There we go. You're ready to go play some pickleball somewhere else now. So that should essentially do it for this pickleball net. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching this demonstration, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.